Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we learned how to use variables to store and show information. But so far, all the data in our program is typed by us, not the user. Today, we're going to make our program interactive by letting the user type input. User input means your program waits for the user to type something like their name or age, and then your program can use that data. In C Sharp, we use something called console.readline to get user input. Now let's make a new project. Console app, name it user input. Next, and create. Okay. We will start with a simple console app again. Console at right line. What is your name? Okay. Simple. And string name console dot readline. Okay. Console dot right line. How old are you? I forgot quickly. Okay. And string age console readline. Okay. Int age int dot parse age console dot writeline hello and plus name plus you are age, sorry, plus age and plus years old. That's simple. Okay, finish. And console readline means wait for the user to type something and press enter. Int.parse means converts the text the user typed into a number. And now let's try it. Okay, what is your name? I write Radin and press enter. How old are you? 14. Hello, Radin. You are 14 years old. And that's it. You just made your first interactive program in C Sharp. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.